Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to get the new Snapchat filter in your Snapchat. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Snapchat. Now here you can see the search option. Press on this. From here, you can see different type of Snapchat filter. You can choose one of them which you like. Or from the search bar, you can search your Snapchat filter. That's it. So this is how to get new Snapchat filter in your Snapchat. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.